Hey, good day. Super excited. You're welcome to another Mayowa Owolabi TV episode, which is the financial trading culture series, where we talk about how to multiply your money in the market, trading the Forex market, the cryptocurrency market, and the stock market. Guys, if this is your first time you're visiting this channel, you want to make sure you click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell so that you can get the latest video whenever the next educational video is being uploaded. So guys, today I want to share with us another entry we entered on NZDCHF today in the community. And you see, I want to really break this down for us today because I'm sure a lot of you have been following the process as which we go into the trade, which is what I expect you all to go and back test. And when you are able to follow through the process, you can repeat it over and over again. Like I do tell you, you don't need to trade every day if your strategy is not consistent every day. You can be a swing trader, you can be a position trader, you can be a scalper. What matters is that you must be able to be profitable. You see, we are in the age where a lot of people want to do social media display. And guys, it's not about you showing someone what you make. It's about you making profit in the market. I've seen people who do a lot of show off and it is not resonating or is not in alignment with their life because they are not consistent. Now, am I talking down those who shows? No, but I'm letting you know that it is more important. It is very important that you make profit than you trying to convince others that you are trading. Okay, so that is very, very important. And that should be your take home today. Now, let's get to the screen. Today, we added more position to NZDCHF. And we strongly believe that NZDCHF should go a bit down more with the settings that I gave to us on monthly time frame. So let's get to the screen. Now, if you look at the entire journey, you see that NZDCHF has actually been going down for a very long time. And since then, he has never created a new high. Okay, so we had this high. This is the rally days drop. The market never went above that level. It dropped again into this demand with a very sharp drop and it went up, but it never broke above this supply. Now it dropped very sharp again back to this demand, but guess what? It never went above this. It never went above this supply. Good. Now, the same scenario, it came down very strong. Right now, for the first time, when it came lower, this is the first time that is breaking above this supply. And because it had broken above this supply, we call it a change of trend. So that means that the market went above it this time around. All other ones, it never did. Now, going above this level gives us a confirmation that the market will give us more reason to go down, then we can now buy from the dip. So this dip becomes more powerful because the market went up, broke this change of trend, and right now we also have the sell trend line being destroyed. So right now we have this move. So because of this move, we can now begin to do some sell-off as a counter trend down to this zone for us to what? For us to buy. So if you narrow this down and you go to weekly, this was where we took, so we had this lower high, lower low, and this also destroyed this change of trend here. Okay, confirm this change of trend here. So you can see this, we now have a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Back to this retracement, this was where we went in on a sell. And because we went in on a sell, on an average, we'll be expecting a full retracement back to the deep. Okay, we'll be expecting good. So we'll be expecting a minimum of this move. Okay, minimum to this move. So we expect the market to drop. Now, can the market change? Sure, it can change because this move also had a break of change of trend here. But we'll strongly believe because of this behavior that this guy was going to do equal ABCD pattern, okay? Going to do an equal ABCD pattern. So we're expecting the market to come really deep. So having established that, so yesterday when we're having our ITC market mastery, we spoke about this move, this drop base, which is obvious on daily. So we had this flip zone and the market dropped in and came back up. So by the time you go to 8 hours, we're able to catch this drop base drop. So this drop base drop announced a sell there, and we have another approval of the break of structure right here. So with the break of structure right here, we have liquidity cleared right here. When the market got into this place this morning, yesterday, basically, we begin to tell the people in the community that we're going to be looking for a sell opportunity. So guess what the market did? As usual, I've always told you, when the market goes into supply zone, you don't buy or sell at that first move. You want to let it go in, then you wait for other confirmations, which are, you could call it stop loss hunt, you could call it divergence, you could call it liquidity clear, or anything you want to call it. Okay, so we saw that in the group, and when we saw that in the group, I posted it today. So I posted it today that we're going to be looking out for a sell on, this is it. So you can see 4 a.m. early today, we said monthly supply zone in control, 8-hour supply zone, and we have 15-minute confirmation, and we have 9 pip stop loss. And this is exactly it. So you can see that the market declared this zone and the market dropped. And because it has broken the buy trend line, it gave us more reason to go in on this trade here. So here is the concept. You won't be able to identify this all the time and do what? And repeat it over and over again. So immediately the market came into this zone, it was no brainer for us it was just this, and that's actually giving us 1 to 5 risk reward right now. Right now, we're expecting more moves. That should give us 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 10. So with this, we can ally go deeper, because right now, if you're risking $10 here, you've done $50. If you're risking $100 already, you've done $500, which is not bad for an investment. And this is what you need to do. Find a way to reduce your stop loss by implementing lower time frame confirmation checklist that suits you. Okay, you could say, oh, I'm using engulfing, I'm using what's it called, triangle, there's this pattern on chart pattern that a lot of intraday traders use. Just make money. Okay, guys, just make money. So this is how we cut this 1 to 5 trade today, and we're still in it. We're still in it. You can see a lot of people in the community are so much excited about it. When the trade hit, you see, NZDCHF TP1. Congratulations to everyone, and we got that. We got that. So we're expecting this guy to push in more. So if we push in more, good. If it doesn't push in more, we broke even, and we're expecting it to go deeper. And deeper, that means that this guy has the capacity to give us 1 to 27. And don't forget, for a lot of you guys that has been following me, okay, I'm still holding this trade, the one at the top here. We're still holding it. So this guy has given us 1 to 20. The one at the top here has given us 1 to 20. And we've added another one today. Personally, I'm still holding the trade. I'm still holding the trade. I'm expecting it to go really, really deeper, like deepest. You get it? But the fact that I've broken even max, I won't make any profit out of I won't make more profit, but the ones I've made, that's how it works. So this is how you want to approach the market consistently. Identify your entries, stick to it, and be consistent. Because see, it's just about what you have experienced. If you have not received it, you can't believe it. You need to identify what works for you and repeat it over and over again, and back it up with back testing. I'm sure this will help 1 or 2 people out there today. If you gain some value, make sure you drop, click on the like button and show some love. And if you want us to analyze any chart, drop it below, then we could drop that also for you guys. Okay, thank you so much for hanging on to the group, to the training. I look forward to your success. My name remains Mayowa. Talk to you soon. Peace out, guys. Cheers.